Hello everyone, today's menu will be cheesy rotini and spinach casserole. This is an easy 6 ingredients dish. It's simple but so delicious. It's the perfect weeknight meal. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. In a large pot, you want to bring some water to a boil. When it's boiling, you want to add in your rotini pasta. And then you want to add in some salt. And then you just want to cook this until it's nice and al dente. And then once it's done cooking, you just want to drain it and then rinse it under cold water. While the pasta is cooking, I'm going to shred some cheese. And this is extra sharp cheddar cheese. But of course, you can use whichever one that you prefer. In a large skillet, you want to bring to medium heat and then add in the beef. And then I'm going to break it up using my favorite kitchen tool, and I'm going to cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it's no longer pink. And then I'm going to turn off the heat and remove the excess oil. And if you don't have any, then you don't need to do this part. After you drain the excess oil, we're going to add in the pasta along with the spinach, and I did thaw and squeeze. And then the jar of pasta sauce. And then the Alfredo sauce. And then I'm just going to give it a mix, combine everything well. Oh boy, don't this look delicious already? Make sure to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then I did grease the casserole dish, and then now I'm just going to add half of the mixture into the casserole. Okay, I'm just going to smooth it out. Okay, and then I'm just going to sprinkle on half of the shredded cheese. And then I'm going to dump in the rest of the mixture. And then I'm just going to smooth it out again. Okay. And then I'm just going to add in the rest of the remaining cheese, just all over the top. Okay, now this is ready to go into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the cheese is nice and bubbly and it's nice and cooked through. Here is the end results of the cheesy rotini and Spanish casserole. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!